Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Affirm to shop at Costco. First, go to the Costco website and add the items you want to your cart. Proceed to check out once you're ready to complete your purchase. At the payment section, select Affirm as your payment method. Affirm may ask a few questions to verify your identity and help you set up your plan. Choose the payment plan that best fits your budget. Monthly options may be available. Carefully review the terms, total cost, number of payments, and any applicable fees. If everything looks good, confirm your purchase. That's it. That's how you can easily use Affirm to pay for your Costco order over time. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.